Watch and learn guys, tuloy it. Wala kayo siya sayad guys, ang magaganda. Wala na sa sayad. So like and share guys, like and share, follow. Please follow my page guys, ang bagong naking page. Wala. PCX 160 problema belt, sagad belt, sayad. This one like this, sayad. Wala problema, diyan bahala. Ako bahala tuduan. Ako tudo sa inyo how to put discarte on your engine and no more sayad the belt like this. Now we teach you Thailander live in Philippines. You see the belt like that, tikapit belt, sayad this one like this. You cannot make power because sayad belt, even no pulley, any kind brand of pulley, PCX 160 always sayad here. This is the problem. When the belt sayad, no more power and you will destroy your engine. You belt like this. This is brand new, only 100 kilometer odo. I put a washer and no more takbo because my belt sayad and my belt in it and my belt damaged. So that's why I no have no more money and I want to discard my engine because I have an extra engine here and that one is damaged. So anyway, I will destroy my engine for you guys, okay? And like, share, and follow, and comment down below na we love you, Gian, and I will give you 100 peso deposit in this link down below. Okay, let's go. Have to do guys is we have this one bala I buy in Shopee. This is for boring kit bala. We will bore out this one, but we cannot bore out now because we need to welding here this like this. But to do that guys, we have to welding, we have to cut this one, and this one is the hydraulic tensioner by SRM 110. We're going to put this one here and in the old pin like this. And after that, we're going to welding this one like this, and we're going to welding nut here, and that's all we have to do. This we put this one in here inside like this, like that. And after we put like this one in here, and we are ready to do a very alignment, very nice, very good by Filipino. Because my engine is leaking coolant, I have to make a bit oil seal is very leaking, and I have to solve that by oil seal because my oil seal is damaged. I put a new one, but the new one is smaller. That's why the engine is leaking coolant, and I don't know where. When I tambay like this now, I saw the coolant here. That one, the coolant very damaged, and the coolant came from here, the water pump sensor. That's why my coolant is ubos. This one I just put coolant, and now the coolant is draining. But man, this one is like that, and coolant here like this over there upstairs. You see that one? That's a coolant problem. I never saw that for how many months. That's why my coolant ubos. My coolant ubos because this one is leaking. Very bad oil seal. I will change the oil seal, but I will show you first how to discard this one so that you will never spend any more money for a stupid belt. The belt is very expensive. Bando belt, Bando Japan, very expensive. 1,000 peso. That is maybe 900 baht in Thailand. So we don't have Thailand money, we have peso money, and it's crisis here in the Philippines. We have to make a way. We have to make a way to fix our engine. Very cheap, and I will show you how to do that, okay? I already show you, and I will show you how to welding. So guys, I have to welding. I have to go check up because my kidney have a problem, but I go later. I have to fix my bike first, and after I fix my bike, I will go to hospital to check my kidney. I will put the dagum here and I will take my blood and urine analysis so that they will check my kidney. If the kidney is gas, if gas, we just have to regrind our kidney like the stock comes, because I have here a stock kidney. I will replace my kidney with the aftermarket one because super flow very nice, the blood flow very good, and we don't have a problem anymore. Super flow blood. I will teach you how to do that, okay? So guys, now we're going to welding guys. So our kalayo, the kalayo will be let's put 200 kalayo, like that kalayo, so that we can welding more faster here. because I have to go to check up my kidney. Okay, no need sheet, no need sheet. Sheet is for weak. Pro welder, no need sheet. Okay, I teach you how to do that. You just put like this and like that. Okay. So yeah, we're welding this one in the top of the line of the motherfucker. Like that. And I will welding that. You close your eyes, because if you don't close your eyes, the balas go in your eyes and you will destroy your eyes and you will get cataract. You have to close your eyes, okay? But don't worry, Philippines have a pre-operation for the eyes, for the pre, if you have a cataract, so it's no problem anymore. Salamat, Bongbong Marcos. So I have to use a gato for a more efficient welder. Okay. Okay, now I have a gato here and I will show you how to welding. Okay. This is the pliers and I will welding this one. Palayo tagamay ka mapiksa ng cellphone, mahala cellphone kayo. Okay guys, ako mana welding. Ako welding baga kayo kaya ako paniguro. So ako paniguro ko kay para dili mabali ang bala. Dili agbali ang bala, maigo ako makina, maguba ako makina, wala ko kwarta, muna ako maniguro lang ko. Okay. So, mauna niya akong welding baga kaayo kay paniguro. O tanawa ko nung agi nga wala ka agi o isda. O tanawa ko nung agi na ako kay wala mo ko kaspila o isda. Okay. Okay na siguro na wala na ko welding iluyo. Okay. Okay, pasok. Wala na ko welding iluyo kay para masulod rin siya. So I just finished this one guys. Oh wait lang guys, my father called me. My father is here guys, you check. Look, you show them what your motor? Huh? What is that? You only oh, cool start, look cool start. Wow! Grabe pagkatikalon si mo to. Oh. One click lang cool start, engine perfectly tune. Where you going? Laundry. You go to laundry? Okay. I'll see you later. Grabe ka no? Grabe, one click lang ang motor. Okay. So, mana ako welding welding lang bolt TV para wala na problema. Okay, later, let's go. At welding nut here. So, para huguto na this one, we tighten this one and after we tighten this one, it's a very good investment. You invest your money in the banking system. Okay, ako welding. Okay, let's go welding. Let's try again welding this one like this. If you don't want to welder, if you need to welding you don't need to book to sida. Because it is puro weak. Okay. So that is it. We other side, we welding the other side. So when you have to welding, you have to your hand have to be very light, because if you don't light, you will destroy your welder. Okay. Now the other side para sure ball. Transfer the ground transfer here, so we can welding properly. Other side, just like that, and you welding the other side, just like that. No more rod. I have to buy rod, but I don't have money, so I will tail off this one. Okay, it's enough. It's alright, and then you can see the welding of. I don't go to school, I don't have a grade, but I know how to work. Look at this welding. It's not bad, it's not good, but it's better than ever before. So that's why we can fix any engine you want. So this is the final project. So I have to put this bala here like that, and then we higpit this one so that the bala will be tight and tight inside. Just like a bit lang. Because somebody is videoing me. Okay. Okay, it works. So I tighten this one, the bala, and then the bala is ready to use. Just like that. It's so hot, we just have to. Okay. So this is the example of bala like this. See the bala, but it's too big, so we can adjust this one, the length we want, and then and so on and so forth. And it's just very simple. This one rotate like that. Rotate, and this one is overboring. We overboring this one, so no more sagad the belt here, because the belt is the pulley is a very good, and the sagad here very power, very nice, so we can make more top speed. So next step guys, this one Allen bolt, we cutting this one and we put inside like that, and then we welding again for security and purposes only. So let's go. This is the result of our grinding. This is enough to put inside like this, very tight, see, like that. So it's ready to welding. So we just hammer this one. So for this one to open, I put copper hammer para wala guba. Very nice Allen, man. Okay, this one is ready, not yet ready. I have to align it here. This is the final product. This one like this, we have to welding here and we are done. Or maybe we have to put another bushing here like this, so that we can align it inside and we can smoothly rotate. Okay. So this is the welding guys. I did it very nice, very good, and this is ready to fire. But maybe I have to put in it Istinawa. Maybe I have to put a little bit more bushing, so that when I go inside is alignment. So maybe I have to find another one inside. If I can find more, let's go. So I find another bushing guys inside. Look at that. So I will put like that para alignment, and I will welding that one so that it's very alignment inside, not moving. For your welding here inside, you have to remove the positive battery so that your motor no destroy ECU. Okay, this one no more curve. This one is Ipay, new Ipay. So di magpa-highlight si PM na si Vincent Vince Ray-Ban. So mo ni siya tigpagwapo sa kuha pirmi. Tanawa akong naong mo na siya tigkuan modify sa akong naong. So guys, as you can see, I'm taking a bath because I'm going to the hospital to check my kidney. So I will be back later. The experiment is okay na. It's we can later continue. But it's ready, it's working. I'm sure it will work because I am Italiano. But I am not Indiano. So nag-testing sila brother sa ilang drag bike. So anyway guys, I will show you later how to bore out your guys, nauli na ta guys. Tara guys, oh. Okay, let's continue the work guys. So muna na siya guys. After the time nito guys, ano guys. So nag-sample ta guys. Kumana naman siya guys. So it works fine. Sige ba, salamat boss. So tara guys, gagagaling ko lang dun sa ano, at okay naman yung result ng ating ihi. At ganyan. So ganyan. So set up na lang natin guys. But yan, may sample na tayo dyan. Let's go. So aran guys, adjust na natin. We adjust this one so that it will fit in our crankcase. So tara guys, let's go guys. Marina na good. Nabali akong marina. So ayan guys, meron siyang magandang ano guys, resulta. Bate akong marina. Ito talayang barina. So tara guys ha. Ready na kayo guys ha. Let's go. Saan barina magkatay. Okay tayo guys. Kumana na siya guys ha. Parang machine shop lang guys. So, tingnan nyo. So, tignan nyo guys, ang init guys. So, tignan nyo ang agi guys, grabe guys. So, dawa guys, alam mo grabe kay agi ang turbo guys. Okay kayo guys. Namin na yung mara masinja guys. Okay kayo. So, total nagastos ako 0 pesos. So akong barina medyo gubaw, hindi dili mo pa, pero akong suwayan balik. Tara. Watch and learn guys, tuloy it. I-zoom ba? I-zoom. Dili na makuha. Pero watch and learn lang. Barina kasi tundak po na eh. So kaya nagilis ko barina ka wala kusog ang usa. Hilingan na ako ng barina. Wait lang guys, may problema. Tay! Oh! Siya gabot, banggol. Sudah lang. So, kinanglaban niya siyang ikat. Sana diya. So ayan guys, ito na po yung gamit natin. Ayan guys, so tingnan nyo. Ayan o, napakaganda ng ating ano guys, very nice, very good. Na burot na siya guys. Pero kulang pa yan, isang coating pa lang yan. So pangalawa. So update ko kayo sa finished product. Okay, coating pa natin ito konti. Let's go. So guys, third coating na tayo guys. Let's go. So ito po yung third coating. Hintiin na natin. Op, lumuwag. Wait lang kayo konti.
Oo, pagbubuhat nila.
Ito lang. Gusto natin na length. Igpitan. At may konti. Ito na po yung final. Tingin ko. third coat, done. So ganyan nagaganda. Ganyan nagaganda ng ating ano. Tignan natin mamaya ang performance. Pila yung top speed natin. So ayan mamaya, try natin. Tara, baklasin na natin. Kaliw ko sa impagaru. So lagay natin ito bago build natin. After that, we put inside our engine. Yan like that. So ayan guys, palpag yung build natin. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin guys. Sagad na oh. Sagad na yung puli. Please like and share and follow.
Unfollow?
So ayan guys, gumana yung ating eksperimento. Ito ang homemade Bombay bore out. Bombay bore out. So sa mga gusto dyan, PM lang kayo. Like and share and follow, okay? So ayan guys, tanggalin natin guys kung mayroon bang sayad o wala. Tara, tanggalin natin. So aragay wala guys siya sayad guys, ang bagaganda. Wala na siya sayad. Oh. So like and share guys, like and share, follow. Please follow my page guys, ang bago na aking page. Wala. Cut!
Okay.
Testingan natin ang takbo guys. Wala. Tara, let's go. Grabe guys, nagka-top speed ako 130. 80 kilo. Stock lahat. Like and share and follow guys sa Bombay Mechanic. Umiiyak ako. Cut! 130! Testing ng rider natin guys. Guys, testing ng rider natin last pagkatapos nito, okay na ang PCX guys. Grabe ang lakas. Grabe. Pila kita pa niya? Pila? 3-4? Okay, ayos. Okay na guys, let's go! So ayan na guys, ang Bombay tools. Okay na kayo kasi guys. The tools is very good and it's working fine and we get more speed because no more sagad. You saw the result and no more results, okay? So goodbye, like, share, follow in my page. Goodbye, laba.